Hi students, welcome to the next session. Today's session will continue next problem, 11th one. Integral secant x plus tan x whole square dx. Now this is clearly a plus b whole square. Expand this secant square x plus tan square x plus 2 secant x into tan x. But directly integral secant square we know, integral of secant into tan also we know, but integral of tan square we don't know. We need to convert secant square x plus tan square can write it as secant square minus 1 plus 2 secant x into tan x dx. Now integrate. What will get? Integral of secant square tan x, again tan x, integral of 1 dx is x, 2 into integral of secant into tan is secant x plus c. Now just write down 2 times, 2 tan x is there plus 2 secant x minus x plus c. In this 2 take common. First I can take secant x plus tan x minus x plus c. That is option A is the correct one. Next, question number 12. Integral of x cube into d of tan inverse x is equal to, this value we need to find out. Okay, first integral x cube, d mean derivative of tan inverse x what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Again with respect to x means dx will get. Well, d of means derivative of value, 1 by 1 plus x square, we are dx will get. Integral of x cube by 1 plus x square dx. It is a proper or improper function? Improper. Reason, the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to greater than of denominator degree. That's why we need to apply a long division method, dividing the numerator with denominator until getting degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. How much you need to multiply to get x cube x, x square into x, x cube, x into 1 is x minus 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 x. Now this remainder value got x only, that's why we can write now this value x cube by 1 plus x square is first what? X quotient plus remainder by denominator. Integrate separately, integral of x dx minus common, integral of x by 1 plus x square dx. Now here the value is clearly directly this one derivative what? 2x will get, but 2 is not present, that's why dividing with 2 multiply with 2. Now integral of x means what will get? X square by 2, here minus 1 by 2 into integral f dash of x by f of x is log mod f of x plus c. So this value is there in which option? C in fourth option, that is option D. Option D is the correct one. Next, question number 13. Integral root of x minus 1 by x into root of x plus 1. In this we need to find the options, all are given in terms of maximum, log and secant inverse form. Okay. Now first rationalize the denominator. This root of x plus 1 we need to rationalize. The opposite sign, root of x minus 1 by root of x minus 1 dx. Now here root of x minus 1 whole square, root square will be cancelled by x into this root of a plus b into a minus b, that is root of a square minus b square dx. Now split the divide with the denominator. First value dividing means what will get? 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx. Integral 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx. 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. This is in the form of integral 1 by x square minus a square formula, that is log mod of x plus root of x square minus 1 minus this is integral actually 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1. At consideration we can take only with mod also, without mod also. That's why this is the formula for secant inverse x plus c. When here minus is there, you can convert into cosecant inverse also. But cosecant inverse in that form is not given. That's why we are taking in the form of secant inverse only. That is option D is the correct one. Next question number 14. F of x given integral x square plus sin square x by 1 plus x square into secant square x dx, and they given f of 0 also, f of 0 equal to 0. We need to find f of 1 value. F of 1 we need to find out. Integral of, now to split this in integral term, here only x square is there, I will add 1 and I will subtract 1. So 1 plus x square into secant square x dx. 1 plus x square, take minus common in this 2, 1 minus sin square x by 1 plus x square. The secant square you can write 1 by cos square x dx, value wise generally. Now integral, now value by directly take secant square, no problem, later you can simplify. Now divide with the denominator, what will you get? 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square, only 1 is 1 minus sin square x is cos square x by 1 plus x square into secant square x dx. Now multiply with secant square x dx minus integral of cos square into secant square, because secant square is reciprocal of cos, that's why both will be cancelled. You will get 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So integral of secant square x formula is what? Tan x minus this direct formula integral 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. This is which one? F of x. Now they are given f of 0 is equal to 0. Now f of 0 means what? In f of x, in the place of x substitute 0, tan 0 minus tan inverse 0 plus c equal to 0. Now from this tan 0 is 0, tan inverse 0 also 0 only. 0 minus 0 plus c equal to 0. From the c value how much we got? 0. Now we need to find f of 1. 1 substitute in this. Tan 1 minus tan inverse 1 plus c is the c value 0 already. Tan 1, tan inverse 1 means tan 1 at which angle? Pi by 4. That's why tan 1 minus pi by 4 is the answer. That is option C is the correct one. Next, question number 15. Integral of 4 sin x into cos x by 2 into cos 3x by 2 dx. Directly all different angles, different functions are their values. Directly we can't do anything. That's why 2 sin x. One more time taking here 2 into first highest angle cos of 3x by 2 into cos x by 2 into dx. Now we have formula 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. This formula I am applying. So integral 2 sin x. 2 A means 3x by 2, B is x by 2. Cos of A plus B. 3x plus x, 4x by 2 means 2x. Plus cos 3x minus x, 2x by 2 means x. Into dx. Now again, now this multiply 2 inside. First 2, highest angle will take cos 2x into sin x plus 2 sin x cos x into dx. Now this is in the form of 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b is sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. You can apply this formula for first term. Sin of a plus b, 2x plus x, 3x, minus sin of a minus b, 2x minus x is sin x only. 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a, that is sin 2x dx. Now all are we got in the sum of values, split it into 3 parts. Now we can integrate easily. Integral of sin 3x is minus cos 3x by inner function derivative by 3. Integral of sin is minus cos, minus of minus plus cos. Here minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. They are arranged in proper manner. First they taken a positive value, that is cos x, minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x, minus 1 by 3 into cos 3x plus c is the required value, that is option B is the correct one. So next, question number 16, integral 2 power x by under root of 1 minus 4 power x dx equal to k into sin inverse of 2 power x plus c. Then k equal to we need to find out. Okay, in this left side 2 power x by under root of this, I can write 2 power x whole square dx. Now I'll substitute 2 power x is t. Derivative of a power x is a power x into log a, that is log 2 into dx equal to dt. Send this log to right side. 2 power x into log dx equal to 1 by log 2 dt. Now this 1 by log 2 is constant, take common, remaining 1 by under root of 1 minus 2 power x is t, that is t square. Already taken 2 power x into dx is 1 by log 2 common, remaining only dt. It is in the form of 1 by root of 1 minus x square, that is sin inverse x formula, sin inverse t plus c. What is the t value? 2 power x. Sin inverse of 2 power x plus c. Now compare with RHS side. In the place of k, what is there? 1 by log 2. That is option D is the correct one. Next, question number 17. Sin power 8x minus cos power 8x by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x dx. Actually is a previous problem, previous question only. Now this one I will write here clearly. I can take this is sin power 4 whole square by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x dx. A square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, 4x plus cos power 4x into sin power 4x minus cos power 4x. Here in the place of 1 I can take sin square x plus cos square x whole square. Reason, if you take whole square, this 1 only, 1 square also 1 will get. So minus 2 sin square x into cos square x dx. It simplified easily. Now sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. This again we can write sin square whole square minus cos square whole square by, it expand a plus b whole square. sin power 4x plus cos power 4x plus 2 sin square x into cos square x minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. So negative and positive both gets cancelled. Now in the numerator, what you have? Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x into, this clearly in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Sin square x minus what remaining value? Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. Now in this, these two values are same, it will be gets cancelled. Now remaining sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Take minus common. Actually cos square minus sin square is cos 2x, that is this is minus cos 2x dx. And minus common, integral of cos 2x dx minus integral of cos is sin 2x by inner function derivative by 2 plus c, that is minus 1 by 2 sin 2x plus c is not given, actually they have to give plus c, that's why option B is the correct one. Only the taken antiderivative, plus c is compulsory for indefinite integrals. Next, question number 18, integral cos 2x by cos x dx. Here we know cos 2a in terms of only cos, that is 2 cos square x minus 1 by cos x dx. Now divide with the denominator, what? 2, 1 cos will be cancelled. Next 1 by cos means what will get? Secant x dx. Because options given in terms of log secant minus tan or like that in terms of secant also. Now 2 is a common, integral of cos is sin x. Integral of secant is log mod secant x plus tan x. Some mod they are not given in many options. So 2, so without mod also no issue. 2 sin x minus log sin x plus, sorry, secant x plus tan x. Which option? Option D is the correct one. In option D given like that. Next. 19th problem. Integral x into log a to the power x by 2 by 3 into a power 5x by 2 into b power 3x plus log b to the power b power x by 2 into a power 2x b power 3x into dx. This is the value existed. Now first we need to simplify this. X into log a to the power of b, this will pre-multiply log a by 3 into a power 5x by 2 into b power 3x. This b power x will come front, log b by 2 into a power 2x into b power 4x actually. This is b power 4x dx. Now send this a power x by 2 denominator, b power x also denominator, integral x into, so here log a by, this comes denominator means will becomes minus 5x by 2 minus x by 2 into b power 3x log b by 2 into a power 2x into b power 4x minus x dx. Integral x into log a by, take LCM is 2, 5x minus x, 4x by this 2x, 3 into a power 2x b power 3x log b by 2 into a power 2x b power 3x dx. Now what is LCM? 3 2s are 6. These two terms are same, equal for LCM terms. 3 and 2 not there, so 6 is LCM with the a power 2x into b power 3x. 2 into log a, 3 will multiply here, 3 into log b by 6 into a power 2x into b power 3x dx. Now again, take this 2 power of this, or first x multiply inside, 2x into log a, 3x into log b by 6 into a power 2x into b power 3x dx. Now take this 2x and 3x to the power of log, a power 2x plus log b to the power of 3x divided by 6 into a power 2x into b power 3x dx. Now log a plus log b is log of a into b. So log of a power 2x into b power 3x by 6 is a constant common by a power 2x into b power 3x dx. Now I'll consider, put a power 2x into b power 3x is t. That value considered as t. Differentiate this. This is uv formula because both are functions only. First u into b power 3x, a power x formula, into log 3 into 3x derivative will get 3 plus b power 3x and a power 2x derivative, a power 2x into log 2 into 2x derivative is 2 into dx equal to dt. In this common value is a power 2x into b power 3x. What remaining we have? 2 log 2, first I will take that one, plus 3 log 3 into dx equal to dt. What is the value of this? T only, that is t into, take into power, so log a ma, I taken 3 sorry, so log b here and here log a, because b power 3x means b power 3x derivative p power 3x into log b, a power x formula, here also log a will get, not 2, so log a, here log b, take into power this one, what will you get? Log a square, so log b cube into dx equal to dt. This all values, again one more step you can write, t into, this is log of log a plus log b is log of a into b, a square into b cube into dx equal to dt. Now substitute all these values in the function given university integral term, integral log a power 2x into b power 3x is t by this also t only. What is the dx value? T into log of a square into b cube dx value. This all you can send other side ma, 1 minute, because exactly not present in that function. Before that, only dx you want means send this value right side, dx equal to 1 by t into a square b cube dt will get. Now we can substitute 1 by 6 into log t by t, and what is dx? 1 by t log a square b cube dt. It's a little bit lengthy only. Log a square into b cube is a constant, take common. So 1 by 6 into log a square into b cube, remaining log t, so 1 by t into 2 t square, take into power, that is t power minus 2 dt. Now here we need to apply again uv formula, directly we can't write there, it's a lengthy step we will get, that's why otherwise uv form, this is highlight rule wise logarithmic first then algebraic. U is equal to log t, v dash equal to t power minus 2, u dash, the derivative of log t is 1 by t, v means integral of minus t power minus 2 dt. What will you get? X power n, t power minus 1 by minus 1, that is minus 1 by t. X power n formula apply, integration of this value will get minus 1 by t. So 1 by 6 into log a square into b cube. First u, formula is what? U into v. What is v? T power minus 2 minus u dash 1 by t into v dash, that is minus 1 by t dt. Let remaining step here. It's a little bit lengthy question. Now what is the step is there? So 1 by 6 log a square into b cube. Now t power minus 2 can add 1 by, that is a log t by t square. Now here minus of minus plus. Now 1 by t into 1 by, that is what? T power minus 2 dt we can write. So 1 by 6 log a square into b cube log t by t square. Just now we got integral of t power minus 2 is minus 1 by t, that's why this is minus 1 by t plus c. Now still they simplified because they taken LCM value, that's why still we need to simplify. 1 by 6 log a square into b cube. What is the LCM? T square is the LCM. So here log t minus t plus c, because t square LCM means here we will multiply, t is not multiplying here value. Now here next 1 by 6 log a square into b cube. Now denominator in terms of square is there, so no issue. Now we will simplify this. Log t minus t, what is the t value is there? T stands for a power 2x into b power 3x minus t, okay, log of into b power 3x minus a power 2x into b power 3x by t square. T square means a power 2x into b power 3x whole square you will get. But exactly this type of form is there. See once they given in the form of log of, a small correction here, okay, uv formula, u into v, not I written v dash ma, v means what? Minus 1 by t minus integral of u dash into v dt. Now we will get exactly as for that. Now 1 by 6 log a square into b cube log t into minus 1 by t, that is minus log t by t plus t power minus 2 dt, that is correct, because minus of minus plus 1 by t square equal to t power minus 2. This integration is already we got minus 1 by t. Now LCM is t only na, here also minus is there. Take overall minus common, that is minus 1 by 6 log a square b cube log t plus 1 by t plus c. So minus 1 by 6 log a square into b cube. Still they simplified, they got in terms of another value. Log t means what? A power 2x into b power 3x. In the place of 1 I can take log e base e. Here also base e only generally, not given means. Log e means base is e only. By t means a power 2x into b power 3x plus c. Now minus 1 by 6 log a square into b cube. Now log a plus log b, that is log of a into b. Log of a power 2x into b power 3x into e by a power 2x into b power 3x. Now this is the option D is the correct one. It's a little bit lengthy. This is the first part. Next continuation ma. After this one, last this one I had right. It's lengthy a little bit this question. Next question number 20. Integral f of x into pi dash of x minus f dash of x into pi of x divided by f of x into pi of x into log of pi of x minus log f of x into dx. Now I'll take this function is t, okay, log pi of x minus log f of x equal to t. Differentiate now. Log derivative is 1 by pi of x into inner function derivative is pi dash of x minus again 1 by f of x into f dash of x into dx equal to dt. Now take LCM. The derivative will present in this. Now LCM is what? F of x into pi of x. So we'll cross multiply here. F of x into pi dash of x minus pi of x into f dash of x dx equal to dt. This term only present in this. That's why this is integral. Its complete value into dx is dt. This is t dt. Integral of t dt is what? T square by 2 plus c. Now t means what? Log pi of x minus log f of x. This is whole square by 2 plus c. Still this one you can write log a minus log b is log of a by b. So 1 by 2 into log of pi of x by f of x whole square plus c is the answer. That is option B is the correct one. Next, question number 21. Integral I is equal to integral 1 by tan x into log cosecant x dx. Now here also we need to apply substitution method only. If you substitute log cosecant x is t, log cosecant x equal to t, the derivative will get 1 by tan x only. Differentiate 1 by cosecant x. Again cosecant derivative is what? Minus cosecant x into cot x dx equal to dt. Cosecant cancel. Cot you can write 1 by tan, send minus right side, that is 1 by tan x into dx equal to minus dt. So 1 by tan x dx is minus dt by 1 by this is complete value t. Minus common, integral 1 by t dt. Integral of 1 by x formula is what? Log mod x plus c. That is minus log mod of, what is the t? Log of cosecant x. That is answer is minus log mod of log cosecant x plus c. That is option C is the correct one. Next, 22. So question number 22. Integral cos 4x plus 1 by cot x minus tan x dx equal to a cos 4x plus b. They are asking a value. They are given in options like that values. A value we need to find out. Cos 2a in terms of only cos is 2 cos square a minus 1. Like the cos 4x means 2 cos square 2x minus 1 plus 1 by. Convert this value in terms of cos and sin. Cos x by sin x minus sin x by cos x. Now numerator 2 cos square 2x by LCM take cos square x minus sin square x by sin x into cos x dx. Now the sin x and cos x sent to numerator. Now 2 cos square 2x into sin x into cos x. It's a cos square a minus sin square a formula is cos 2a, that is cos square cos 2x dx. Now one term gets cancelled. Again cos 2x, or before this you can write 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x remaining one more cos 2x into dx. But options in terms of cos 4x only required. That's why I convert this completely in terms of sine. Reason, integral of sine will get cos. That's why don't convert in terms of cos, we have to convert in terms of sine. So for that I'll divide and multiply with 2. 2 sin x into cos 2x dx. Which formula? 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2a. That is sin of 2 into 2x is 4x dx. Now integrate this 1 by 2. Integral of sine is minus cos 4x by 4 plus in the place of c they taken b. Now finally minus 1 by 8 cos 4x plus b. Now compare with that, a is how much? Minus 1 by 8, that is option B is the correct one. Next, question number 23rd. Integral x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 under root of 1 plus x power 4 dx. Now this type of questions, we can't do any substitution method in this. I will take x square common in this. What will get? 1 minus 1 by x square. I will take only x common from this. What? X plus 1 by x. Now inside root I will take x square is common. What will get? 1 by x square plus x square. 1 x cancel. X into 1 minus 1 by x square by x plus 1 by x. Root of x square means you will get x into root of x square plus 1 by x square dx. Again this x cancel. Now from this 1 minus 1 by x square by x plus 1 by x into root of x square plus 1 by x square. Now I will take this is t. Reason, this derivative is present in numerator. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. That's why consider x plus 1 by x is equal to t. Differentiate this. 1 minus 1 by x square into dx equal to dt. Okay, this will change into dt, this is t, but what about this? We need to convert. For that, the same expression squaring on both sides. We need to change in terms of t. A plus b whole square, that is x square plus 1 by x square, 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x. Dx equal to dt. The value wise, sorry, no dx, no dt, sorry for that. Equal to t square. Now here x cancel. We need only x square plus 1 by x square. Send to right side. X square plus 1 by x square equal to t square minus 2. Now substitute these values in the given term. 1 minus 1 by x square dx is dt. It is 1 by dt. T into under root of this complete value what? T square minus 2. But in this, any simplification is possible? No, we can't simplify anything in this. Further, the value given in terms of what again? Tan only. In terms of tan required, complete value. If you take t square minus 2 is t. Now, because it is not in any standard formula, that's why here I am changing in the form of, consider this t square minus 2 some u square to eliminate the square root, because there is no any standard formula. Now differentiate this with respect to t now. 2t, t square 2t into dt equal to u square derivative is 2u into du. 2 cancel. Now t send right side, u by t into du. Now the value dt as a 1 by t into, this is complete u square, root of u square is u. Now what here dt is u by t into du. Now u cancel. 1 by t square dt, sorry du ma. Now from this I can find out t square. T square what will get? U square plus 2. Integral 1 by u square plus 2 du. Integral 1 by u square plus root 2 whole square du. Integral 1 by x square plus a square formula, that is 1 by root 2 tan inverse of u by root 2 plus c. Now 1 value substitute, 1 by root 2 tan inverse of u square is t square minus 2, u is root of t square minus 2 by root 2 plus c. So 1 by root 2 tan inverse of root of, what is the t value? X plus 1 by x whole square minus, or otherwise directly we can have t square minus 2 is a x square plus, directly is there na. T square minus 2 value is what? X square plus 1 by x square by root 2 plus c. But actually in option C 1 by root 2 is not given ma. Change in option C, they given 1 by 2. It is actually 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of root of x square plus 1 by x square by root 2 plus c. Option C is the correct one. Change in option C, they given 1 by 2, that is 1 by root 2. 24. Integral e power root x into cos of e power root x by root x dx. Now which function derivative present in this? E power root x derivative is e power root x. Again root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. 2 we can send right side, no problem. That's why I am taking e power root x is equal to t. Differentiate this with respect to x only. E power anything is e power only. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x into dx equal to dt. But here 2 is not present in this function, that's why send 2 that side. E power root x by root x into dx equal to 2 dt. From this, e power root x by root x into dx is 2 dt. 2 is common, remaining what? Only cos t dt. Integral of cos is sin t plus c. 2 into sin of, what is the t value? E power root x plus c, that is option A is the correct one. So next, question number 25. Integral 1 by e power x plus e power minus x whole square dx. Now this one directly we can't do anything. It's a 1 by e power x. E power minus x I can write 1 by e power x whole square dx. Integral 1 by, take LCM e power x and e power x. E power 2x plus 1 by e power x whole square dx. So 1 by e power 2x plus 1 whole square, e power x whole square is e power 2x dx. Send this e power 2x numerator, e power 2x by e power 2x plus 1 whole square dx. Now e power 2x plus 1, if you take t, this derivative present in this, that's why now put e power 2x plus 1 is equal to t. If you differentiate this, we will get e power anything is e power into 2x derivative 2 into x dx, 2x derivative 2 into dx dt. Send the 2 right side, 1 by 2 dt. Now 1 by t is outside, I know, it's remaining 1 by t square dt. This is complete t. Now directly if you don't know the integral t square, take into numerator, what you will get? Integral of x power n t power minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. Now 1 by t into minus, that is minus 1 by 2 into 1 by t power minus 1 is 1 by t plus c. The option is given in terms of like that only, minus 1 by 2 into what is the t value? E power 2x plus 1 plus c, that is option A is the correct one. Next, question number 26. E power minus x by 1 plus e power x dx. Now here we can use by taking new denominator partial fractions we can do. It's a lengthy process again. Simple manner, I'll convert because options given log of values in terms of e power minus x also. Log inside is 1 plus e power x and some values is there in terms of e power minus x also. That's why e power minus x by, I will take e power x is common from this. Or otherwise e power x I can write 1 by e power minus x. It is possible. Take LCM, e power minus x by e power minus x plus 1 by e power minus x. This value comes to numerator, e power minus x by e power minus x plus 1 dx. Now I will substitute e power minus x plus 1 is equal to t. From this I will find out 1 e power minus x is t minus 1. Differentiate this. By differentiating you will get only 1 e power minus x. That's why one more I am converting into t terms. E power derivative e power minus x only, minus x derivative minus 1 into dx, that is minus dx equal to dt. Send minus right side, minus e power minus x dx equal to minus dt. E power minus x dx is minus dt. This e power minus x write down t minus 1 into minus dt by t only. Again multiply with minus in this, what will get? 1 minus t by t into dt. Now divide the denominator, 1 by t, dt cancel, 1 dt. Integral of 1 by t is log mod t minus t plus c. Now t means minus x plus 1. T means what? E power minus x plus 1 plus c. But this one directly not given, they simplified still. This I can write 1 plus e power minus x, I can write 1 by e power x plus 1 minus e power minus x minus 1 plus c. Take LCM here. What is LCM? E power x. Log of 1 plus e power x by e power x minus e power minus x minus 1 also constant. Constant plus constant you will get again constant only. This is in the form of log of a by b. You can write log a minus log b. Log of 1 plus e power x minus log of e power x minus e power minus x plus c. Log a to the power of b, you can write b into log a. So log of 1 plus e power x minus x into log e. Log e value 1 only because base also e only, if not given means e power minus x plus c. This value clearly 1. So finally answer is log mod of 1 plus e power x minus e power x plus c is the answer. So which option is there? First option, option A is the correct one. For question number 26. Next question number 27. Integral of log of tan x by sin x into cos x dx. Now here also substitution method. By substituting log of tan x is t, you will get this expression. So here I am taking log of tan x equal to t. Differentiate this. Log derivative was 1 by tan x. Again tan x derivative secant square x dx equal to dt. We need to simplify this. 1 by tan means cos by sin will get. Tan means sin by cos. So cos x by sin x. Secant square means 1 by cos square x dx equal to dt. 1 cos cancel. Remaining what? 1 by sin x into cos x dx equal to dt. Substitute in that. Integral log of tan x is t, dx by sin x into cos x is dt. T means t power 1 ma, integral of x power n formula, t square by 2 plus c. Now that is 1 by 2 into log of tan x, t means whole square plus c, that is option C is the correct one.